Well, it's been quite a week, as I suppose we all thought it would be. But the biggest event, of course, has been the Trump win, of course, and the Republican clean sweep. The outlook for the US economy looks now more strong than it would have done had he not prevailed. We've also seen two interest rate cuts this week, both sides at the Atlantic, 25 basis points from the Fed and 25 basis points from the Bank of England. I think both are significant, not necessarily because they were unexpected. I think, on the contrary, both rate cuts were broadly as the markets expected. But I think it signals more intent, in my view, for where rates are headed in 2025, which is down significantly. And I think on both sides of the Atlantic, rates will be coming off. And that in part reflects my confidence on underlying inflation. I don't share consensus view that inflation is going to be going up in the US or necessarily in the UK. I think I'm much more relaxed about the outlook for inflation, not least because I expect energy prices to continue to be weak. And the sort of new dynamic there, of course, is that Trump has promised to drill. And for a market that's already well supplied, I think that bodes ill for the oil price going forward. So I think the market's view about higher inflation next year, I think, is fundamentally wrong.